Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Thank you for staying with us. Cubes, balls, and strips. No, it's not a nursery rhyme. It's the most tedious and time-consuming part of cooking: chopping vegetables and boiling them. But here's the good news. In our supermarkets, you can buy pre-prepared ingredients. It saves time and guarantees quality. For the modern person, pre-peeled, pre-boiled, and perfectly cut vegetables are a real lifesaver. Ready-to-use beets, carrots, corn, and potatoes, vacuum-packed, retain maximum freshness and flavor. All you have to do is open the package and get cooking. Cooked beets come in 3 forms: diced whole and shredded into strips. With whole beets, you can whip up a carpaccio in minutes. Just slice them thin, drizzle with olive oil, add some soft goat cheese, pesto sauce, and finish generously with pink pepper. Use the shredded beets for rolls inspired by herring under a fur coat. Wrap thin pieces of herring, shredded beets, chopped eggs, and grated cheese in a nori sheet, then spread a thin layer of mayonnaise over everything. And with the cubes, make a light salad. Sauté them in butter with garlic and toss with crumbled feta, pine nuts, pumpkin seeds, and fresh herbs. Diced carrots are perfect for making an Asian-style side dish, for example. Quickly stir-fry them with grated ginger, then mix with cooked rice, chopped green onions, and chili pepper. If you like, you can toss everything together and stir-fry for another 30 seconds or so. Cooked corn makes a great side dish for steaks or roasted meat. Cut the cob into 4 pieces, quickly sear with garlic, sprinkle with smoked paprika, and serve. Golden fried pasteurized potato balls look stunning on wooden skewers alongside quail eggs and shrimp. It's a fantastic idea for party appetizer skewers. And pre-cooked potatoes already tossed in a Mediterranean sauce or a chili bacon sauce are practically a ready-made dish that takes no more than 5 minutes on the stove. On top of all that, supermarkets also carry ready-made ingredient sets for various festive salads. Herring under a fur coat, Olivier salad, vinaigrette. All that's left is to dress them. That's all for today. Take care of yourselves and your loved ones, and everything will work out just fine. You'll see for yourselves.